Hey everyone, okay, so today I'm going to be testing this foundation which claims to be undetectable on the skin. This is the new iteration from Makeup Forever Ultra HD called HD Skin. Now I picked shade 2R24 and I don't think it's going to match at all. I tried my best, but I really don't think this is going to match my skin tone, but we'll give it a go because we've got to work with what we've got. So I'm just going to apply a small amount of moisturizer to the skin and then we'll go for it. So I will use two pumps. I'll use one pump and then I'll use a second pump. Now the thing with foundations is when you start making exaggerated claims, you then have to live up to them, as opposed to just releasing a foundation that said it's going to cover the skin and look lovely. So if it's going to say undetectable, then it has to be undetectable. Now really what they mean is it's undetectable under 4K cameras if blended well. I think that's what they mean. So that's one pump. I'm going to use that little sponge that I bought as well, which is this one here. So let's give it a blast. So this is one pump. So it's fair to say that one pump is going to do nothing. It's very sheer with one pump. One thing I noticed on their website was that they stated don't use around the eye area because it can age it, but I thought it was undetectable. But we're going to use it around the eye area. We're going to use it everywhere and we'll see where it takes us. So one pump would give you what I would call really good coverage, like normal skin coverage. But not everybody wants normal skin coverage. Some people need a lot more coverage. So we'll do one more pump. I'm just going to drag my mirror in a bit closer. So that is very light coverage. It's definitely an improvement, absolutely. So we're going to be reviewing this by its claims of being undetectable, as well as its claims, as well as the normal claims of it just looking like a beautiful foundation. Okay, so with one pump, yes, I would say it's undetectable. It actually lives up to its claim. But we'll add the second pump because why not? This is a very light coverage, it really is. And let's build it up again. So the foundation is slightly off. It's not actually terrible by any stretch, but it is slightly off. I think you would get a better coverage with a brush. Definitely. Let's add a bit on my pink chin. And the remainder on the back of my hand, I'll just do in the center. Okay, I'm going to just have a quick look in the mirror and then I'll be back. Okay, so nothing on my skin other than the foundation. I would say it's pretty undetectable. And now I actually thought this wasn't going to be the case because it certainly wasn't with the original formula. But this is... it's pretty undetectable, right? I mean, it pretty much is. It's pretty undetectable. Let's add some face color so that we don't look ghastly. And we'll blend that in just to add a little bit of color. To the skin. Might want to add a little bit more color. Let's add a different one. I do love a bit of face color, but you know that about me. There we go. Blend that in. Okay, so I did go into it thinking that it wasn't going to live up to its claims. It is pretty That's pretty undetectable. I mean, yes, you could, if you were to look really hard at me in person, yeah, you could probably tell I was wearing makeup, as in foundation, but you'd have to look really hard. This is a pretty impeccable finish. For a foundation claiming to be undetectable, yeah, I would say that's actually pretty good. I'm very, very surprised. I did not think it would actually do that, and it did do that, and it diddy do. So there you go. What do you think? Not bad, is it? Who knew? Who bloody knew? Thanks for watching. See you all soon. Bye bye.